Throughout the end of 2020 into the early months of 2021, I had a gender crisis, where my understanding of myself as a person shifted. Crisis makes it sound scary, and while it was at points, it was also a time of intense personal growth. I reconsidered what it meant to be myself and to exist in my own mind as a person with a gender. Between garbled words about biology and German paragraphs I never truly understood, I had pages filled up with names. It started with a list full of the strangest names you've ever seen before being shortened into something better. My middle names took the longest, only truly being solidified back in November. It was like I had 20 knives, all enough to cause damage, and being trans was by far the worst to manage. I ask, have you ever tried to juggle knives? I haven't personally and don't particularly want to. I do, however, partake in the next best thing, mental gymnastics. I juggled so many conflicting opinions about myself, who I am, societal expectations, and occasional sadness in a never-ending loop. Yet this loop broke for me and I continued on, better and more well-rounded than before. I had the strength to continue. I came out as a transgender man, got myself a name that I love with meaning that I can take into the future. I am proud of who I am, even in a society where pride is taken as defiance by some transphobic and homophobic people. This is my story, and I hope that it has inspired you all to consider the story of the people within your own constituencies and the struggles they have overcome. The young LGBTQ+ people of Wales need outspoken, unequivocal support from people their own age, and it is within this that I implore all fellow members to consider the impact that prioritising LGBTQ+ equality can have. Within Wales, it is essential that we, as young people, have the confidence to support the other people in our lives who live an experience not many of us have the power to comprehend. We are better when we are together. Thank you.